Hello, my name is Jeremy, and I help local businesses get to the top of Google. And I found your website, Mooney and Sons Towing, and the keyword towing Cleveland, Ohio, and in Cleveland Towing, Ohio. They're both ranked at page 3. And I wanted to offer a couple of tips to help you guys rank better because all the traffic, if I were stuck somewhere, if I need to be towed, I'd be looking at these guys. These guys right here, or at least these first three, maybe not Yelp so much. So let's take your link and we're gonna put it in this scanner right here. And what comes back is your title tag, this right here, is basically this right here. And this will helps Google determine what to look for if someone's searching up that keyword right there or this keyword right here. And so I would change that. I would get rid of Beechwood and I would be like, I would put Cleveland Towing Company / Beechwood, Ohio. If you want to put your name here, like Mooney and Sons Towing, 24-hour towing, that'd be good as well. But your title tag's pretty good. Your meta description tag is pretty good. Now this is where it's going to throw off Google. All of this right here is what helps determine what Google is looking for when someone's searching up that keyword or your name. Literally, you have one H1 that has nothing in it. I don't know if someone who was setting up your website was doing something or forgot to put something there, but that's going to hurt you ranking better in Google. You have a lot of H2s, but they're pretty good for the most part. Yeah, just these two right here can determine whether you rank on page 1 at the bottom or page 3 at the top. Just those two things alone can really help out whether or not you rank in Google. So I just wanted to offer those two tips. If you need any more questions, feel free to email me. Other than that, have a good day.